is 5:30 p.m. It has become a habit for Rudy Hartono, chairman of the Borneo Radio Listeners Club of Kalimantan Province, Indonesia, to tune in to 12020 kHz to listen to VOV's Indonesian language broadcast. Today, Aris Tianto and Magdalena Krishnawati, two club members, joined Rudy in listening. Whenever they meet each other, they discuss what they heard about Vietnam in the previous day's news bulletin.
Are you aware that issue have been discussed seriously in the mass media such as VOV News?
I think diplomatic issue between the U.S. and China, between the U.S. and North Korea, and especially the upcoming second summit between Washington and Pyongyang, scheduled to take place in Hanoi.
The broadcast matter has also been touched upon.
A recent broadcast revealed that Asian countries are at high risk of experiencing a severe wealth crisis.
I did hear that report and even took some notes. In addition to withdrawal from daily personal activities at work, countries like Vietnam, Malaysia, Thailand, and Indonesia are importing large quantities of plastic waste.
That's true. According to VOV, Indonesia is the world's second biggest dumper of plastic waste into the sea. The current level of environmental pollution is alarming.
Thailand and Malaysia have said that the animal waste impact. Indonesia plans to reduce the plastic waste in dumps to listen 17% by 2025. But I'm not sure if Vietnam and other countries in the region have any specific plans.
I have the same question. I sent this question to VOV5 Letterbox and hope we'll get an answer on next week's edition.
I want to know how Vietnamese people minimize their household garbage.
Let's meet next Wednesday to hear VOV answer and discuss them.
Over the past 7 decades, VOV5, the overseas service of the Voice of Vietnam, has provided a lot of interesting information for foreign audiences. Listeners particularly welcome the weekly letterbox where VOV presenters read and answer their letters and let them know that listeners from other parts of the world share their concerns. If you want to learn more about Vietnam and its people, send us your letters or emails. We are always happy to hear from you.
To a part of the broadcasts that still exist today, spreading the warmest information to the world, meeting listeners and making us to be happy. VOV5 also inspires listeners by motivating listeners and strengthening in the ASEAN region, especially Indonesian listeners. Finally, on behalf of Borneo Listeners Club, I wish to anniversary of World Radio Day and success for VOV5.
Despite the media sphere's constant advances, radio continues to be one of the most accessible and attractive medium in the world. With the theme, Dialogue, Tolerance and Peace, the 2019 edition is emphasizing radio as a vector of peace.